You landed your first SQL internship. Congrats. But on day one, you open the database and freeze. Where do you even start? Hi, I am Manish Sharma. As an Oracle SQL trainer, I have seen hundreds of beginners step into internship nervous, eager, and little lost. Today I will walk you through what actually happens in a real SQL internship, step by step, so you can stop guessing and start delivering from day one. And here's the best part. I have a proven 4-step plan that has helped my students succeed every single time. In this video, I will break it down and show you exactly how to use it to excel in your first SQL internship. Last month, one of my students joined a company as an intern. On week 1, their manager asked a simple question. Why does the sales dashboard show different totals for Mumbai and West region? The student could have panicked. Instead, they opened the schema, ran a few queries, found duplicate records and a missed join condition, fixed it, documented the step, and earned the major trust from the team. That's what I want for you. Understand the schema, not just queries. Your first job is to learn the database layout. Which tables hold customers, orders, or transactions? Which columns link them? Don't memorize select statement. Map relationships. I suggest drawing a quick schema on paper or Notion. It helps you form the right questions and reduces blind trial and error. Expect to clean data and investigate. Most intern tasks are detective work, data cleaning, identifying nulls, resolving duplicates, and investigating mismatched totals. You will use select, joins, and group by and basic aggregations again and again. When a dashboard is wrong, your job is to trace the number back to the source tables. Tools you will actually use. You don't need all the hype. Just be comfortable with the query editor. SQL Developer, dbeaver, SSMS, or MySQL Workbench. You will also touch Excel or Power BI for reporting and sometimes Git for versioning scripts. If the company uses cloud databases, get familiar with the simple connection settings and credentials. But this comes quickly. First week survival tips. Day 1. Ask for schemas and sample dataset. Keep a running notebook of queries and findings. Always ask, why are we doing this? Business context matters more than the fancy SQL. Communicate progress in short messages. Small updates beat radio silence. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not copy-paste queries without understanding them. Always consider nulls and duplicates. Watch for inefficient queries. Missing filters or unnecessary full table scans can slow things down. And format your SQL. Readable queries make it easy for teammates to review. How to stand out and turn the internship into a job. Take small initiatives, automate repetitive checks, or suggest a simple validation query the team can run daily. Document everything you do. Clear notes and reproducible SQL are gold. Build a tiny project using company data if allowed. Even a one-page report that saves time is noticed. Ask for feedbacks and act on it. One-line checklist to keep handy. Map schema. Run source level totals. Check nulls or duplicates. Optimize query if slow. Document and inform your mentor. The moral: what matters most? An internship is not just a stage to prove how much you know. It's a test of how quickly you learn and how well you help others solve problems. In the broken dashboard story, the intern didn't have the most advanced SQL. They had curiosity, process, and clear communication. That combination wins. If you want to learn SQL directly with me and build the skills companies actually use, my live training batch is starting soon. Seats are limited, so I have put the enrollment link in the description. Fill it out, and if you get selected, my team will reach out to you. See you in the next video, and all the best for your internship journey.